Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Calendly for faster scheduling with smart rules, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type calendly.com in the address bar and press enter. You will be directed to the Calendly homepage. Locate the login button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will see a prompt to enter your credentials. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. If you do not have an account yet, click on Sign Up to create one. Once you input your email and password, click the Sign In button. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link to reset it. Check your email for a reset link and follow the instructions provided. After successfully signing in, you will be taken to your Calendly dashboard. Now, you can set up your scheduling preferences. To utilize smart rules, locate the event types section on your dashboard. Click on the event type you'd like to configure. Scroll down to find the Smart Booking Rules section. Here, you can adjust settings such as availability and buffer times. This allows you to ensure that appointments are scheduled efficiently. For example, you can set scheduling limits for certain days or times. Make sure to save any changes after you modify the settings. You are now ready to use Calendly for faster scheduling. Explore additional features, such as integrations with other tools, for enhanced productivity. With smart rules, you can streamline your scheduling process effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.